and welcome to Spotlight TV. Time now for the business segment sponsored by FACC SLAA, and today we shine the light on the very first financial institution serving the Filipino community. Here to tell us more about Mabuhay Credit Union is Fred Docdosel, the Mabuhay Branch and Business Development Coordinator. Thank you so much, Fred, for being here today. I'm excited to learn more about Mabuhay Credit Union.
Thank you for having me. We're definitely excited to be a part of Spotlight TV.
Now, tell us a little bit more about Mabuhay.
So the roots of the company actually go back to 1951. And for perspective, that's actually the year my father was born. So it's a while back, right? Initially, the company, Nikkei Credit Union, was founded to help the Japanese-American community. And over the years, there's been a lot of growth, but there's also been changes in the GA community that necessitated the company to look to expand beyond just the Japanese Americans. And so what they did was they took a look at the 4 other Asian American groups here in the South Bay in Southern California. And during our market research, what we realized was that Filipino-Americans, despite the fact that we're the second largest Asian group in the United States, and actually here in California, we're pretty much neck and neck with the Chinese Americans. Up until recently, we actually did not have a full-service financial institution serving us, which means that on the side of the company, there was a need to expand. And on the side of the community, specifically the Filipino-American community, it's very underserved. And so that became the genesis for what is now Mabuhay Credit Union.
Wow, thank you so much to Nikkei for seeing that need.
Yes.
Now, for those that don't know, what is the difference between a bank and a credit union?
Sure. A lot of people actually kind of mistake both to be the same. And for obvious reasons, right? We're full-service financial institutions, so much like a typical bank, Mabuhay Credit Union offers deposit products. We have savings accounts, checking accounts. We have a couple different kinds of youth accounts. We offer money market accounts, IRAs, and share certificates, or CDs, right? On the other hand, we also offer loan products. And we offer for our community personal unsecured loans, credit cards. We offer auto loans, both for new and used vehicles, as well as mortgage loans. We offer home refinance and home equity lines of credits, or HELOCs. So in that sense, we are similar to a bank because of the same products and services that we offer. Now, there are a couple of main differences between a credit union and a bank, however. We are a lot smaller than a typical bank, so our service is definitely a lot more personal. But one of the main differences is that credit unions are actually a not-for-profit. And what that means is that we are owned and democratically controlled by our membership. So ultimately, as long as you have a savings account with Mabuhay Credit Union, you are a shareholder of the company, which means you're a co-owner of the company.
Wow, I see many benefits of signing up for a credit union. Not only is it not for profit, but you're part owner. I like that.
Yes, absolutely. You have an account here, so
yeah,
literally you're a co-owner of one of the first financial institutions serving the Filipino-American community.
I like the sound of that. Now, how do you become a member?
Sure. So credit unions, we have what's called the field of membership. Okay, back in 1951, when Nikkei Credit Union was first founded, their field of membership was people of Japanese ancestry. Fast forward 60 plus years later, race is obviously a protected class, right? So we can't just say Filipino ethnic group. But family is definitely included. So if you come in and you already have a family member that's a part of the credit union, you're eligible to open an account. And another thing too is that if you are a member or an employee of one of our partners, these are select employment group or association partners, you're eligible to open an account with us. The fallback plan is if you come in and you do not have a family member that's a part of the credit union already, and you're not employed or a member of one of our partners, we actually have created a special partnership with the Philam Chamber of Commerce of South Bay, Los Angeles area, wherein as long as you become an associate member of the Chamber of Commerce, you become eligible to open an account with the credit union.
You mentioned the Filipino-American Chamber of Commerce, which you are a board member for,
Yes.
and you practice what you preach. In personal, you support the Filipino community, but also in business. And I know Mabuhay Credit Union supports a lot of Filipino events. You do sponsorships, donations. Tell us a little bit more.
Sure. That's actually a really big push for us. For all intents and purposes, the brand Mabuhay Credit Union is a new brand, right? But the way we get our name out there to the community is, like you mentioned, we sponsor community events. And these are the events that our partners are hosting throughout the South Bay and Los Angeles area. And on top of that, especially with the current pandemic that we have right now, we also have done a few campaigns to support the community. One of these, we have a donation drive to our credit union members to help homeless and needy college students. We have worked with the Philippine Independence Day Foundation to honor and to feed our frontline workers in the city of Carson. We worked with Silog in Torrance to honor and to feed our medical frontliners in Harbor, UCLA Medical Center. And then also with the Chamber of Commerce, we were able to do the same thing, honor and feed. Everything's about food, but we also honored first responders. So we went to 8 different fire departments here in the South Bay to help them out. And so it's a matter of giving back to the community. That's definitely part of something that we really take very seriously, because again, as a not-for-profit, we ultimately believe that giving back to the community is the way to go.
Well, you definitely are. Thank you so much. Now, for more info on Mabuhay Credit Union, where can we go?
You can find our website on www.mabuhaycu.org. You can give us a call at 888-MABUHAY. That's MABUHAY. And all of our social media accounts are at MabuhayCU. So you can find us pretty much everywhere on social media.
Thank you so much again, Fred. A pleasure getting to know more about Mabuhay Credit Union.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Again, for more information on Mabuhay Credit Union, the very first financial institution servicing the Filipino community, please head to their website on the screen. We'll be back.